welcome. I'm an exchange student here. I'm 21 years old and I'm studying business administration at Kyung University right now.
My name is Minji Choi. I'm 23 years old of international age and my major is intellectual property.
My name is Hyun-Gyu Kim. I am junior of Kyung University. My major is mechanical engineering.
I'm Dion Park and I'm 21 years old. My major is hotel management.
Playing words strategically on the board.
We're just saying hi all the time. Like in everything. We're just like, hi. Can you guys tell me where we're going right now?
We will go National Folk Museum.
National? What?
Yeah. National. Where's that? How can I pronounce?
National Traditional Museum.
Traditional museum?
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay, what is that?
I don't know. Just like pump. What is that? Just like ticket.
Tickets? Is it free?
Yeah.
Free open days.
Yeah.
Looks like 80s in Korea.
This one is.
It's a heater, yeah. Heating system.
Do you know Squid Game?
Yes.
Memory snack.
Yes, show me your skills.
Oh.
You're also going.